Hello everyone, welcome to online session Standard 5th Computer Subject. Lesson number 10 Surfing Net. Internet is one of the best technology gifted to mankind. It has brought the entire world at our fingertips. It has revolutionized the whole world and made computers the most effective communication tool. Internet gives us access to information on almost every subject. What is internet? Internet stands for International Network. Internet is a worldwide collection of computers that are used to share information amongst each other. These computers are connected to each other through the telephone wire, modem, satellite link, or other means enabling them to share information amongst each other. What does Internet provide? News and information. Internet provides faculty to read the different newspapers online and get the information regarding various topics of our interest such as politics, sports, education, etc. Also keeps us updated with current events. Arts and entertainment. Internet allows us to download and purchase the various software for arts and entertainment such as games, songs, movie, puzzle, jokes, stories, etc. Online shopping. You can purchase various items like books, clothes, gift items, etc. from the different e-shops around the world without actually going there. Mailing letters. Email the most popular features of the internet which allows you to send and receive the messages. You can also attach the pictures, video, sound to your email and send it to anyone. The first ever email was sent by the Raymond Samuel Tomlinson in 1971. Health and fitness. You can search health and fitness information along with the remedies and the precautions for the different diseases. Tourism and the travel. Internet provides faculty for online booking of hotels, railway tickets, air ticket, etc. all over the world and round the clock. Chatting. This features allows us to exchange the text messages with another person on the internet. Banking. All banking operations can be done right from your home using e-banking services. Video conferencing. Through video conferencing, you can communicate with the other person visually. To do video conferencing, both the person need to have a web cameras. Modem is a device that connects your computer with the telephone line. It changes the computer signal so that they can travel through telephone line and vice versa. Each website has a main page. When you visit any site, the first page that opens is called a home page. An internet service provider ISP is a company that gives you access to the internet for the fee. The browser will not be able to display pages unless the computer is connected to an ISP. For example, BSNL, CFI, Airtel, Reliance, etc. Using Internet Explorer. Internet Explorer is one of the most popular and widely used web browser developed by Microsoft. You can open it either by double clicking on the icon on the desktop or select Start button all programs and select Microsoft Internet Explorer. Following buttons are used while visiting the different pages of a website. www. It is a collection of pages stored on the internet. These pages may contain text, graphic, audio, and link to other pages and can be accessed by people all over the world. Back. Back button. To go back to the previous pages, click the back button on the toolbar until you reach to the desired pages. Forward button. To view the next pages in serial order, click the forward button. Clicking the forward button will take you to the page you just left when you click on the back button. To view the page which you just left can be resumed by clicking the forward button. Stop button. Click the stop button if a page is taking too long to open. This will stop the downloading of the page. Home button. Clicking on it instantly take you to the first page of the website. Refresh button. Clicking on this button will reload the most recent version of the current page. Favorites button. These options allows the user to store, display and organize the most frequently used website in the favorite list. It makes it easy for us to open them in the future. History button. Clicking this button will display the list of recently visited websites. Print button. Select this button to print a copy of the web page you are viewing. Browser. This software that allows you to view and explore information on the internet is called a web browser. For example, Internet Explorer, Mozilla, Firefox, and Google Chrome, Safari, Opera, etc. Each web page has a unique address called a Uniform Resource Locator. You can quickly access any web page if you know the URL. Email. Email stands for electronic mail. It is a faculty on the internet to send and receive the messages anywhere around the world. The best part of the email is that a simple mail can be sent to a number of persons at a time. You can attach photos, videos, etc. along with your messages, which are called attachment. Email account. In order to use the email faculty on the internet, First, you have to create your personal email account. You have to select a username, email addresses, and provide a secret code means password along with your particular like a name, address, date of birth, etc. The popular websites which provide email faculty are Yahoo, www.yahoo.co.in and www.gmail.com. What is the email address? When you create an email account, you get an email addresses to which people write mail to you. Every email account has a unique email addresses, which means no two people in the world can have the same email addresses. Just like your postal address, which is one of the its kind of your email addresses belong to you. Creating your first email account. The easiest way to create your email account is to use a free online service. Connect to the internet. Open the website www.gmail.com. Click on the Create an Account link. A registration form will appear. Fill the registration form, choose a login name and password. Accept the agreement. Your email account is created if all the entries have been filled properly. Using an email account. To use the email account, you must log in using your email ID and username and password. The login and sign in system of the different mail accounts may differ, but they all have the following basic features. Inbox. It contains all the received mail. Each message header display the sender name, subject line, time and date when the mail was sent and sometimes the size of the message. To read any mail, click on it. The mail will be displayed in the new window. Compose mail. To write a mail, click on the compose option or any other similar option. It opens a new window with the following components. 2. Here you can type the email addresses on the person whom you want to send the email. CC. Here you specify the addresses of the person to whom you want to send a copy of the mail. The email addresses mentioned in this field are visible to all the receptionists of the mail. It stands for carbon copy. BCC. It is also used to send a copy of the mail to the several people. The email addresses mentioned in these fields are not visible to other receptionists. BCC stands for blind carbon copy. Subject. You can type the main idea of the mail in this field. Sending a mail. After composing an email, click on the Send button. Tip. You can send the same mail to more than one person by typing their email addresses separated by commas in the To field. Reply. This option is displayed on opening any mail. It is used to reply back the email. You can simply type your message and click on the send button. Forwarding a mail. You can send a copy of a received mail to other person by clicking on forward button. Sign out. Click this button to log out from the site once you have finished reading or sending the email. To reserve and print railway tickets at your home, visit www.irctc.co.in.